Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We are dealing with the topic Understanding Elementary Shapes, Grade 6, Chapter 5. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and share this video, and also to hit the bell icon so that you will get notification for my next video. So let us start with today's topic. My today's subtopic is triangle. This is triangle ABC. So how can we define a triangle? A polygon having three line segments is called a triangle. Polygon itself, the meaning is a closed figure made up of line segment. So another way you can define a closed figure made up of three line segment is called a triangle. Or we can say one more thing, all the 3 points are non-collinear points. So you can define like this also, a figure formed by joining three non-collinear points is called a triangle. It's up to you. Different books you may get different definitions. Parts of a triangle. Vertices. This point A, point B and point C. This is known as vertices of a triangle. So there are three vertices of a triangle. Sides. So this AB, BC and CA, these three line segments are known as sides of a triangle. So there are three sides of a triangle. Here you can see this blue color one are the line segments. Angle. Angle A, angle B and angle C. There are three angles. How can we write down the name of this triangle? We can use by using vertex. This is angle A, or using three letters, angle B, A, C, or angle C, A, B. Vertex will be always in middle. Angle B, how can we write? Using vertex. Angle B using three letters, angle A, B, C, or angle C, B, A. Vertex will be always in middle. Same way, using vertex, angle C, angle B, C, A, or angle A, C, B. Again, your vertex should be always in middle. How many elements does a triangle has? A triangle has 6 elements. Which are the 6 elements? 3 sides plus 3 angles. Very important concept. A triangle has 6 elements. The 6 elements are 3 sides plus 3 angles. Naming a triangle, the symbol of a triangle is this small triangle. How do we denote this? By using 3 letters. So triangle A, B, C, or you can start with any other letter. If you want to start with vertex B, so you can say that B, C, A, or you can say that B, A, C. Similarly, you can start with vertex C also. The meaning is same. Always we write the vertices in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Interior and exterior of a triangle. So the area enclosed by these three line segment, this is known as interior of the triangle. So the shaded part, this green color part is known as interior of the triangle, and outside this three line segment is known as exterior of the triangle. Complete chapters with subtopics are ready. So chapter 1, knowing our numbers, 16 subtopics. Chapter 2, whole numbers, 8 subtopics. Chapter 3, playing with numbers, 11 subtopics. Chapter 4, basic geometrical ideas with 4 subtopics. Part 1 link is given in the description, and links for other subtopics are mentioned in part 1. Classification of a triangle based on sides. So equilateral triangle. So we can write down equilateral like this: equilateral, and then triangle. Equi means equal, lateral means sides, and triangle means triangle. So how can we define equilateral triangle? A triangle whose all the three sides are equal in length. All the three sides are equal. Three sides are equal in length is known as an equilateral triangle. And how do we denote? In the form of figure. When we draw any triangle and we draw the same sign, this dash, same dash on the three sides, this indicates that the three sides are equal in length. Isosceles triangle, iso comes for two. So in a triangle, if two sides are equal in length, this is known as isosceles triangle. And here we can show that two lines together. So these two sides are equal in length. Sometimes we draw one line, sometimes we draw these two, sometimes we draw with three also. Scalene triangle, if three sides are equal, equilateral triangle, if two sides are equal, isosceles triangle, and if one side is equal, what does it mean? All the sides are different. We can't say one side is equal. So when all the three sides are different in length, this is called a scalene triangle. This is example of scalene triangle. Properties of an equilateral triangle. This is equilateral triangle. All the three sides are equal in length. It means the three angles will be also equal in measure. So AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. These are the three sides of a triangle, and these three angles, angle A, angle B and angle C, these three will be equal. We know the angle sum property. Sum of all the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So the measure of each angle will be 180 divided by 3, because the three angles are there, so 60 degree. So what does it mean? Measure of each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Properties of an isosceles triangle. So this is your isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal in length. This angle Q is known as vertical angle, as angle P and R, these are known as base angles. Here two sides are equal in length, so the two angles will be equal in length. Which two angles? Opposite to equal side, opposite to equal side, their opposite angles are also equal. So opposite to PQ, which angle is there? R. And opposite to QR, which angle is there? P. So angle R is equal to angle P. So if two sides are equal in length, then their opposite angles are also equal in length. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal in measure, or we can say sides opposite to equal angles are equal in length. Properties of a scalene triangle. Here you can see that all the three sides are different in length, so three angles will be also different in measure. Greatest side is xy. You can see that xy is the greatest side. So opposite to greatest side xy, which angle is there? Angle z. Opposite to xy, which angle is there? Z. So if the side is greater, then opposite angle will be also greater in the measure. So our angle opposite to greater side is greater. Now similarly you can see that side opposite to greater angle is also greater. Now which side is smaller here? XZ is the smaller side. So angle opposite to XZ is Y. So Y will be smaller in measure. This is not greater, actually Y will be smaller. If XZ is smaller, then angle Y will be smaller. Just do the correction, instead of greater it should be smaller. So we can say that angle opposite to smaller side is smaller, or we can say that side opposite to smaller angle is smaller. Please do correction, angle Y is smaller, greater will not come, it will come smaller. Now classify the triangle, the measure of whose sides are given below as a scalene, isosceles or equilateral triangle. So here we can see that all the three sides are different, scalene triangle. Two sides are equal, isosceles triangle. All the three sides are different, scalene triangle. Three sides are equal, equilateral triangle. Two sides are equal, isosceles triangle. All the three sides are equal, equilateral triangle. Chapter 4, Basic Geometrical Ideas. 4 subtopics are ready. You can read the subtopics. Part 1 link is given in description, and link for the other subtopics are mentioned in part 1. Classification of a triangle based upon the angle. The first one is acute angled triangle. So here you can see that all the three angles are acute angles. So we can say that a triangle whose all the three angles are acute angle is known as acute angled triangle. right angle. Here you can see that one angle is right angle. So a triangle whose one angle is 90 degree or one angle is right angle is known as right angled triangle. Obtuse angle, here you can see that one angle is obtuse angle. So an angle whose one angle is obtuse angle is known as obtuse angled triangle. So here you can see that 3 points. If we join these 3 points, we will get here right angled triangle. And now here in right angle triangle, BC is known as base of the triangle. This AB is known as perpendicular of the triangle, and hypotenuse, this AC is known as hypotenuse. Which one is hypotenuse? Opposite to 90 degree, opposite to right angle, what whichever side is there, that side is known as hypotenuse. And you can see that hypotenuse is the longest side among all the three. Hypotenuse is the longest side. So every time in a right angle triangle or any triangle, hypotenuse is the longest side. Angle B is a right angle. So angle A and angle C will be acute angle. In a right angle triangle, other two angles are always acute angles. Isosceles right angle triangle. So here you can see that this is right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, these two sides are equal in measure. So this is isosceles triangle also. So we can combine this isosceles right angled triangle. So here AB is equal to BC. So opposite to AB is which side is the angle is there? C. And opposite to BC, which angle is there? Angle A. So angle C is equal to angle A. So angle B is 90 degree, angle C and angle A will be equal in measure. So the measure of this angle will be 45 degree. So in isosceles right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degree and measure of other two angles are equal, and the measure will be 45 degrees. Isosceles obtuse angle triangle, here you can see that this is obtuse angle, but these two sides are equal in measure. So we can say that isosceles obtuse angled triangle. So AB is equal to BC, opposite to AB this is angle C, and opposite to BC this is angle A. So angle C is equal to angle A. Now the time for concept check. You are supposed to classify the triangle based upon the angle. All the three angles are acute angles. So acute angle triangle. One angle is 90 degrees. So right angle triangle. One angle is 95 degree, that is obtuse angle. So obtuse angle triangle. One angle is 110 degree, again obtuse angle. So obtuse angled triangle. Now one angle is 90 degree, right angled triangle. Now all the three angles are acute angles, so acute angled triangle. Classify the following triangles. So here you can see that two sides are equal, so isosceles, and at the same time obtuse angle, isosceles obtuse angled triangle. Now two sides are equal, right angle is there, so isosceles right angled triangle. Now here you can see the right angle symbol, so right angled triangle. All the three angles are acute angle, acute angled triangle. This is obtuse angle, obtuse angled triangle. Now here all the three sides are equal, so we can say that equilateral triangle, or all the three angles are acute angles, so we can say that acute angled triangle also. Now here two sides are equal, so this is isosceles triangle. All the three sides are different, so this is Scalene triangle. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Please share this video, and also don't miss to watch my next video.